So, we at the end of the class. Tell me about your experience. Was it a good experience? Did you have a good instructor? Would you recommend the program? Tell us about it.
I think yes, yes, and yes.
Okay,
So,
okay.
I really enjoyed the program. I feel like I progressed pretty well and have been doing pretty well. And it's because, yes, I had a good instructor.
Appreciate it.
I like how you really looked out for us and made sure we were getting stuff. And it didn't feel like anybody got left behind or somebody was, or if I was struggling on something, you just told me take my time and not get frustrated because I be having that problem.
You get frustrated when they're not working.
Yeah, so I just had to realize that I'm not gonna be perfect on the first time, but like
you'll get it over time.
I'll get it over time.
And you've been getting it over time.
Yeah.
All right. So that's plus. So anyone else that's want to dive into the class that's in Little Rock or surrounding areas that you might know, would you recommend the program?
Yeah, I would definitely recommend the program. It's gonna give you something like that you can always make money off of. And like necessarily what I like about welding is you don't necessarily have to go work for someone else. Like if you have the money to go get your own machine, or
you can start your business right out of school.
You can start your business like right after school, just doing little odd jobs or just picking up like contract work. You don't have to really be on nobody's 12-hour, 8-hour shift. It kind of just opens so many doors.
It's opened so many doors and opportunities. And you know what? It's ironic that you say that because I like to tell people welding is actually a trade that don't have a cap on it. You know, like you literally got to put one on it. Ain't no cap on it. Because you can get out, you can start working, you can get out, you can be an entrepreneur with it, you can get out, you can start a business with it, you can get out and start a career. It's all on you. It's literally on what hat you want to put on. CEO, somebody name.
There's so many specialties that you can go in and choose from, like TIG, MIG, you can do stick welding, you can work in somebody's shop. You can fabricate, and if you want to go the extra mile, you can even learn how to weld underwater. So like,
there you go.
That was crazy to me.
Even seeing that. So, but now though, you got a better understanding and a better confidence in welding now, and especially the direction that you're going.
Right. Yeah.
That's great. All gone.
All gone.